Hello everyone, I'm Nima and welcome to my YouTube channel. So what is tahdig? Tahdig is basically a very famous Iranian dish, a very famous Persian dish, and it's basically the crispy rice, the scorched rice at the bottom of your pan. Tahdig is a combination of two words in Persian, tah and dig. Tah means the bottom and dig means the pot. So when you combine those two words together, you'll get the bottom of the pot. And because in Persian cuisine, in Iranian cuisine, we have a lot of stews, tahdig adds a very nice crispy component, very nice crispy texture to your dish. And tahdig is not always made with rice. You can put bread at the bottom of your pot. I've seen lettuce, I've seen zucchini, I've seen squash. You basically can put whatever you want at the bottom of your pot and then put the rice on top and then cook it, you know what I mean? And there are a lot of garnishes for tahdig as well. Like you can put barberry at the bottom of your pot, you can put pistachios at the bottom of your pot. I've seen like a leaf of parsley, you know, like the herb leaf, you know, you put it at the bottom of your pot, add the rice around it, and then it's basically like a rice cake. You would flip the pot, and then when you see the bottom of the pot, it's the parsley and the rice around it. It's really nice. Okay, so now that we know what exactly tahdig is, how can we make it at home? So first of all, you would add your rice to the pot, submerge it in water, make sure the water is like 2 inches above the rice, add salt, the water should be well seasoned, add 2 or 3 teaspoons of oil to it and put it on the stove. The heat should be very high, the rice should boil for about like 3 to 4 minutes, make sure to check it during this process. It should be a little bit firmer than al dente, and when it reaches that texture, make sure to drain your rice, add some cold water to it, put a little bit of oil in your pan, put the pan on the stove, the oil should be pretty hot, add a little bit of rice to your oil. Now the rice should sizzle a little bit. That's how hot your oil should be, you know. And in this process, you can add a little bit of saffron, so your rice will be red. You can add any spices with color, like turmeric. You can add paprika, anything basically. So your rice will be that color. And put that on the bottom of the pan. Add the rest of your rice on top and then put the lid on. The heat should be like medium to medium low, and then as soon as your rice starts to steam, this should take about like 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes, your rice will steam. Put the heat to low, like as low as you can, you know. And then after about 20 to 30 minutes, your rice is ready. You can basically flip the pot and then you will have something like a rice cake. Alright everyone, this was the video about tahdig. I hope you learned something watching this video. If you have any comments, any questions, anything, make sure to drop it down below. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like my content, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, and until the next video, I will see you all later. Thank you.